My name is George Angelakis. I am a researcher at the Mediterranean Agronomic Institute of Chania. During the partners and stakeholder meeting in Malta, we presented two good practices from our region, from Creta, focused on improving energy efficiency in public buildings and also the installation of solar PVs in public buildings. The feedback was very positive from other partners as well, and what we are trying to do in the next months is to organize a stakeholders meeting in our region in order to inform our stakeholders about the good practices from our member countries, from Finland, from Slovenia, from France, from Italy and Malta, and see if there is a possibility those good practices from our member countries to be transferred and implemented in our region.